Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. We'll be working on this Ford Focus today and we will show you where to find the relay for the radiator fan, for the cooling fan. In addition guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car. I'm telling you, we're trying to save you as much money as we can. That's why the channel was created. So we need to go ahead, open the hood now, and we need to go ahead and locate the fuse box, which is located next to the car battery. Okay, right here. So we need to remove the fuse box lid now. Press in here and pull up. Okay, and that lid will come out. Now, if you put the cover this way, it's going to correspond to the layout here. The relay for the radiator fan now, okay, it will be relay R12. And you can see in front of the number you're going to have either R or F. R is for relay, F is for fuse, do not confuse them. So R12, this is relay number 12, this is for the radiator cooling fan. So usually grab those with your hands really tight. Okay, wiggle them and pull it out. Okay, sometimes you might have to use something to pry them out with. This is the relay. Now we'll have a video guys how to test those guys, so you do not have to waste money on a new relay. But in the meantime, what we'll share with you, all the parts and tools, including that replacement relay, will be listed in the description of the video below. Let me grab the new one quick. Okay, this is brand new Ford relay, same part number. Okay, you can see, and all we have to do now, just get it in here. Okay, it goes only one certain way, so in our case it's this way, and make sure you push it all the way in until it clicks, and do not forget to put your fuse cover back on. And that will be guys pretty much the whole video. Thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.